Hello, my name is Jenny. This is my first video, and I have a Disney keychain blind bag, and I have a Little Miss Pet Shop blind bag. So let's open them up, and so we have all these different characters on the back, and then let's open it up. So we have Ariel. This is what she looks like. And now let's open this one and let's see what it has. This is a cool little toy that we got. And it has this little thing of whipped cream on it. So cute. Here's the Ariel again. Thank you for watching. Bye.